everyone. My name is Regina Hooker. I'm 65 years old. I came here 90 days prior to today's appointment.
Hi, my name is Daisy. I've been attending here the health aid services.
Hi, my name is George, and I'd like to talk about my experience here at the clinic.
I'm Joseph, and I live in here. I'm also a contractor.
Hi, my name is Salma Kalfan.
Hi, my name is James Calojanis.
Hi, I'm Susan.
My name is Bob Masterson.
Hi, my name is John May, here to give a recommendation for health aid.
One of the problems when I come here, is I feel so much pain in my feet.
I have neuropathy in my feet.
I have neuropathy.
I had no feeling, no balance, nothing.
When I went to bed at night, it ached, it was cold, there was such pain running through my toes.
Numb toes and having problem with balance, and I didn't want to take any medication for it.
I was taking gabapentin and the doctors weren't really doing anything else for me.
I was looking for answers, and when you're a type 1 diabetic and you have severe neuropathy, you know the pain that you're going through.
I also have diabetes, and I went through chemotherapy because I had cancer, and that's what brought out that numbness of the toes.
Before I came here, I had severe numbness and aching in my feet, both feet, and swellness on the bottom of the left one.
You have like an ant, crawling in all my feet.
I almost tripped and fell out my daughter's house trying to walk because I was so off balance.
So I was walking with a cane because I never knew when my feet would give out and I wouldn't have a place to hold.
I was told it was my spine, had spinal surgery. Still the same problem. It got worse and got worse.
I couldn't walk very much, it was always hurting.
So when I was tested, I found out that I had like 50% loss of feeling in my feet.
Like I say, my life in that point, I'm sorry, but my life in that point, is quite very critical.
So I said I got to take care of myself, and I thought this program just might work for me.
I started visiting health aid when I saw an ad in Facebook.
I happened to research health aid on Facebook.
I had seen a Facebook advertisement from Health Aid.
So I finally saw an ad for health aid.
And it intrigued me, and I thought if I could get some help for this problems that I have with my feet, I should at least check it out, and it was a free consultation.
So when I saw this ad, I said, let me go and see them.
The staff is excellent, the doctors are excellent.
Very professional over the phone.
They listen to me.
And I praise this whole team 100%, and I will not give up on them, nor will I give up on my treatment. I'm basically, I would say 80% improvement on my right leg.
There is almost 80% improvement in that.
It's like almost 80%. I feel much better.
46% improvement on my left foot and leg, and I'm having 41% improvement on my right. Now, this is after 90 days.
And since I started treatments here, my feet improved right away.
I could tell the difference between hot and cold, the tinglings, which is fabulous. I love the tingling feeling now when I get it, when I had no feelings before.
I'm feeling better, I can walk, and I don't have to take any pain medication.
And now I'm at my 90-day phase, and we just tested, and I made major improvements in that 90 days. It's amazing.
I've just done my 90-day consultation, and the results are 10 times better from when I started 3 months ago.
I've been coming to this place for 3 months now.
3 months later, I feel much better.
But now 3 months down the line, they check me because I feel the tingles in my toes and all that.
I can live again. I can actually continue my work and I can do it everything like I wanted before.
The things that I couldn't feel in the first test, and like right away I felt it, and I was like, oh my God. But the really, really, really greatest thing is that I'm not walking with a cane anymore, and my feet are not giving out on me. So I definitely seen the improvement before I even had the test here today.
I came back today, and what a great report! Much improved, no longer in pain. Thank you.
In the beginning it was odd, but it got a lot better, and I got to know everybody, and they're really doing a good job and helped me out.
If you're looking for neuropathy treatment, come to Health Aid. They're in Wantagh.
It's a great experience altogether, and I'm also recovering from the neuropathy and from the back pain. I've been kind of free of back pain and able to walk again with good balance, all due to the things that I think have gone on here at Health Aid.
And just coming here is nothing you can lose. Mostly a lot of you can get, and just in my testimony and just try. That's it, nothing can lose.
I would totally recommend coming over for an evaluation, because trust me, it's worth it.
I am just thrilled that I took the leap and trusted in taking care of myself, and I think it's a wonderful program.
And I would always recommend anybody who has this problem to come and test it out and, see what it does to you.
If you're considering or looking for someone or some organization to help you get through the neuropathy and the back pain, this is the place to come to.
I recommend them highly.
Getting to get your feeling and being able to be mobile independently again and not depending on somebody to do anything for you is a great feeling. It's wonderful.
I think that the best benefits are here.
If you really are not sure, you should give it a try, because it really is worth it. To have some feeling back and feel like I'm living my life again is fantastic.
It's a solution.
Give them a call. It's worth it.